Tutorial number 8. How to use the public transport timetable feature.
Hi, I'm Alex from GoSense. In this tutorial, we're going to test the public transport timetable feature. First of all, press on the right button in order to access the functionality Public Transport 1 out of 3.
Public transportation, 1 out of 3.
Press the big button in order to validate the feature. The number of the closest public transport service will be listed first.
Bus VIE01, 1 out of 3.
If you wish to choose another public transport line, you can access the complete public transport list by manipulating the right and left buttons.
Bus 2610, 2 out of 3. Bus VIE08, 3 out of 3.
To validate your choice, press the big button.
Bus VIE08, direction Monte de Luz, next departure in 2 hours and 16 minutes from Merry, at 387 meters, 1 out of 3.
Once the line has been validated, the direction must be chosen. To do this, press the right and left buttons.
Bus VIE08, direction Quemendez Crozes, next departure in 3 hours and 17 minutes from Merry, at 404 meters.
The available information for the selected transportation is as follows: line number, direction, time remaining for the next start, and distance to the stop. To go back to the home page, make a long press on the button on the opposite side of the big button.
Home.
You know now how to use the public transport timetable functionality. See you soon!